Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Sharjah Islamic Bank. These are the steps for online banking. For that, first log in into online banking. Visit the official website of Sharjah Islamic Bank and log in into your account using your credentials. Second, navigate to transfers. Go to transfers or payment section. Third, select transfer type. Choose the type of transfer such as local transfer to another bank account within the UAE, international transfer for sending money abroad, and SIB account transfers between your accounts to the other SIB customers. Fourth, enter transfer details, recipient's name and bank details, amount to be transferred, and SWIFT code or IBAN for international transfers. Fifth, confirm and submit. Review the details and confirm the transfer. You may need to enter a one-time password for security. And in the last, save confirmation. Note the transaction reference number for tracking. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.